Flight you no more? Will you wilt into the grass for the ants and worms, poor little dead bird? I wonder if your life will be enough to feed their families, to burn the energy it takes to carry you back home. Sing you no more? Will you deprive our ears during tea and fruit, silent little dead bird? Our mourning no longer is pretty, no longer is beautiful without the sorrow bellowing from your breast. Breathe, won't you? Whoop in gusts of air to let us know you still have a bit of fight left in you, sullen little dead bird. Show us you still want to stay here with us. Hungry, are you not? Would you rather feed mother despite her starving you, skinny little dead bird? I can see your bones despite your plumage and poker face. Chirp one less. Have you lost the melody so innate within you, deaf little dead bird? You lost the tune when we lost the love for you, and since then, you've never been the same. See us no more? Do you not still wish to wander from beds of clouds, blind little dead bird? I can still see you fly. I can still see you fly. Despite the concrete bed on which you lie, I can still see you fly.